Today we talk about how can you enable object captions on your Star Work to app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here in this sign down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings here, so you just click on settings. You come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to object captions, just click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean here object captions enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.